Kensington students, we miss you.
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 We miss teaching you.
We miss teaching you.
We miss each and every one of you.
You matter.
You matter.
You matter.
You matter.
You matter.
You matter.
We are here for you.
We are here for you.
We're here for you.
We miss your smiles.
We miss your smiles, your antics, and your personalities.
We miss teaching you.
The memories bring us joy.
We hope you are safe and healthy.
School is important, but so is your health.
Take care of yourself and each other.
From a safe distance, of course.
Now is the time to dig deep and be kind.
Be kind.
Be kind to your siblings, your parents, and guardians.
While we are apart, use this chance to get to know them.
Try learning something new.
Like a recipe or a hidden talent yet to be discovered.
I'm not going to cook.
Do lots of burpees.
Have fun and be silly.
Do some jumping jacks. Learn backflips.
Write poetry and songs.
Call and text someone to say hi, just because.
Say hello. Be friendly.
Be proud of your ability to adapt.
Be proud of your ability to adapt and your resilience through these crazy times. We miss the opportunity to be with you and learn together.
We haven't gone anywhere, and we'll be here when you get back.
And we'll be here when you get back.
This too shall pass.
This will pass, and we will pick up where we left off.
You are missed. You are loved.
We love you.
We love you. I love you.
We love you.
We love you and be safe.
We love you.
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 Once again, Kensington students, remember, we definitely love you.
We love you very much, and we can't wait to see you. Log into your Google Classroom.